What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel yet again. Today we are going to be shooting an ad for Black Rifle Coffee Company. Now, the reason why I am doing this is because I am starting to target veteran-owned companies because I myself am a veteran. I am actually still serving on active duty in the United States Army, stationed at Fort Carson right now. So we're gonna do a simple around 15 seconds, 10 to 15 second ad for Black Rifle Coffee Company, and we're gonna send this to them and we're gonna see if they bite. Even if they don't buy it, it's still good for them to use. But the goal is to try to get them to buy it, as you know, I bought these. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, so for this shoot, I'm shooting on the Z7, the Nikon Z7 today. I have my blue screen set up, and I would have shot this on the red, but I honestly forgot to charge the batteries, so yeah. I'm gonna shoot this on the Z7. For this first shot, what I wanna do is just get a couple rotation shots on the Lazy Susan. I'm gonna get the first one going, then I'm gonna swap it out for the second one, so here we go. Alright, so for this next shot, I have the lava probe on the Z7, and I got my coffee beans and spread them on the Lazy Susan as well. I'm just going to refocus. Actually, it's already in focus. And I'm just gonna get a nice clean shot of these coffee beans. And 3, 2, 1. Maybe 10 to 15 seconds. That way I have it, and I have multiple. I'm debating if I want to bring out the slider so I can get some motion in this as well. I might do it handheld, so I think it's about 15 seconds right there. That's about good. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna get some motion, some movement in this. And I'm just gonna do a simple handheld with the probe. Oh my goodness, it's so complicated. Alright, so for this next shot is actually going to be our last shot in the ad. It's just going to be a simple push in, and yeah. So 3, 2, 1. And again. 3, 2, 1. I'll just reverse this in post. I like this one better. And 3, 2, 1. And I'll go. Alright, so for this next shot, I just want to get a pouring shot of the product. Go ahead and hit record, make sure my focus point is set. I just want to do this. That's all I'm going to do is this. I'm going to move this back a little bit, just get the glare. I think right there will be good. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. I think we're good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into Final Cut Pro. I'm gonna edit this, and this is your final product. Alright, thank you again for tuning in to another video. Be sure to check out the brothers at Black Rifle Coffee Company on Instagram. I'll link their Instagram and stuff below. If you'd like to see any other products added, be sure to tag them in the comments below, or tell me what the next product you want me to shoot an ad for in the comments, and I'll be sure to get that done. And until the next video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.